In this video, we're going to see 3 case study problems from the chapter Statistics. In the first question, model class of the above data is asked. We know that mode means the data which is repeating for highest number of times, and here the class corresponding to the mode is called the model class. You can see the frequency 23, which is the highest frequency among all these frequencies given, the number of patients. So the corresponding class, which is from 35 to 45, is the model class. So option 3 is correct one. Second question, lower limit of the class 55 to 65. Of course 55 is the lower limit and 65 is upper limit. Question 3, maximum frequency of the given data. Among all the frequencies, 23 is the maximum frequency for the class 35 to 45. So here also option 3 is correct. And question number 4, class mark of the class 45 to 55. You can take the value which is exactly in between lower limit and upper limit. In this case of 45 to 55, it is exactly 50. So that is why option 3 is correct. Last question, what is the class size of each class? You can see every class is having upper limit minus lower limit value. The size is 10. So that is why option 2 is correct for the final question. Now let us see the second problem. Here the information about the number of mangoes packed inside number of boxes is given. Let us see the first question. Median class is. We know that median means the data which occurs exactly in the middle when you arranged all the data from increasing to decreasing or decreasing to increasing. But in case of grouped data, what you have to do is find out the cumulative frequency as shown in the figure. Totally we'll be having 400 number of boxes. Exactly half of this 400 is 200. This 200 box falls between 125th box and 260th box. So in the class number 3, there are boxes from the number 126 to 260, which means that 200 box is also belonging to the third class. So median probably will be in the third class. That is why we say the median class is 56 to 58. But actually, if you observe, the upper limit of a class and the lower limit of its succeeding class both are not equal. So that is why what we have to do is we have to match them. For that, just subtract 0.5 in the lower limit and add 0.5 to upper limit. So we will be getting 55.5 to 58.5. First option is correct. Second question is about lower limit of the median class. So 55.5 is the correct answer. Third question is about frequency of the median class. The median class is, we know, 55.5 to 58.5 and whose frequency is 135. So option 2 is correct. And question D is about what is the median of the given data. For finding the median, you can see the formula on the screen where L is the lower limit of the median class, N is the total frequency, CF is the cumulative frequency just above the median class, and F is the frequency of the median class, and H is nothing but the size of the class. So let us substitute all the values in the formula, then we'll be getting the second option as the correct answer. Final question for this problem is the total number of boxes are. It is nothing but the cumulative frequency finally. So it is 400. Option 4 is correct answer. Let us see third problem for today. In this problem, the median is already given, which is 46, which means that 40 to 45 is probably the median class, because in between 40 and 50 only 46 will be there, and correspondingly 65 will be the median class frequency. So let us go from final question. He is asking median class in the last question, which is 40 to 50. Option 3 is correct. And for fourth question, you can see he is asking what is the median class frequency, which means 65 is the correct answer. Second option is correct. And option 3, he is asking what is the value of P plus Q. You can see for 30 to 40 class and 50 to 60 class, the corresponding frequencies are missing. They are given as P and Q. We have to find the summation of it. You can see the total frequency is given as 230, which means that summation of all the frequencies is 230. So if you add, we'll be getting 150 plus P plus Q equals to 230. From this we can get the P plus Q value as 80. So option 4 is correct for the third question. To find out the answers for first question and second questions, we have to apply the median formula as shown on the screen. L value is 40 and the total frequency is 230. And here the cumulative frequency you can see for the class 30 to 40 as 42 plus P, and F is the frequency of the median class, which is 65, into H is nothing but 10, which is the class size. As the median value is already given, let us equate this entire thing to 46 so that we can find out the p-value here. After calculations, we'll be getting the p-value as 34. As we know p plus q is equal to 80, substitute this p-value 34 for finding the q-value as 46. So for question B, option 2 is correct. Let us meet again in the next video with another set of case study questions from different chapter.